Good afternoon, 502 students. Look forward to seeing you next week in class when we kick off with Mayor Fetters coming to talk about the city plan. Appreciate your discussion board last week and the work in preparation for Mayor Fetters' visit. So you'll definitely want to revisit your questions and the parts of the plan that you reviewed specifically. You'll also notice in our online course for this week, there is our week 7 agenda, which walks through the different tasks that you need to do, which include reading chapter 6 and 7. There's also an activity where it directs you to a website where there are 12 other models or theories around change and performance of culture. And so ask that each of you pick one of those, and you'll research that and just write a quick summary, 1 or 2 paragraphs, no more than that, that you'll post within that forum that I've asked you to respond in. You'll want to make sure that you initially make a discussion post that says which of the 12 you are doing, because I do ask that you not repeat those, and that each person does a different one. So it's a first come, first choose. So make sure you check the discussion post form before you jump in and get started on that task so you don't have to pick a second one. You'll also notice in chapter 6 and 7, we're digging into the MSAI. One of the things that I want you to note, and I know a couple of you had already inquired about this, is that with the MSAI, this is the leader assessment. And there is an associate level assessment that you can give to colleagues to have complete, but for the purpose of our class, I'm just asking you to use the same tool that managers use. And those participants who are assessing that manager, as they read each statement, they're actually just thinking about that manager, and so they are responding about the manager. They're just looking at it through that lens and how that person would respond. So again, we're not going to take the time of using that associate tool with this as well, because that can just go into a much deeper project where we're doing analysis of 2 different types of tools. And for the sake and brevity of this project, we're just going to use the same tool. And then finally, as you're working on your business analysis and actually doing those components, there is a place there where it does ask that you let me know when your meeting is. And in fact, it also says in there that if I can be there, I would like to. And that in a regular course, that may be the case. So please let me know when you are having your meeting if you haven't done that yet. And if I can be there, I will. I also know the nature of your busy schedules and my busy schedules that may not happen, and that's okay too. So if you've already had that meeting, no worries. If you're getting ready to schedule it, just shoot me a text or an email, let me know when it is. And if I'm able to, I'd love to attend, but again, that's not a requirement as you're working with your business. As always, text and email, so I appreciate those who have texted and asked questions. Keep that going as well. And again, apologize for being out last week with unexpected travel, but appreciate your efforts in making sure that the tasks that you're asked to do for the course are being met, and that you're working together in a cooperative and collaborative manner. So hang in there, you guys are doing a great job, and I look forward to seeing you on the 18th. Thanks.